Gangsters, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my
a pimple on my chin. Do y'all see this? Get the lighting right in here. Whoop. This pimple won't let me be great. Oh my. Okay. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Okay. Let me show y'all the fit, okay? Shane Justin, cop the fit. Tell Shane I need my motherfucking check because I look the fuck good in this shit. Okay? I forgot what this set's called, but it's real velvet. Yeah, I know. It's real velvet. So anyway, today, what are we doing? Want a pamper day. So this is gonna be like a kind of like a 2-day vlog in a way. Yeah, it's gonna be like a 2-day vlog. Oh my gosh. Look at this pimple. This is exactly where I'm having my pamper day. Anyway, I just got dressed. I just fixed me like something to eat a little bit or whatever. I didn't even say welcome back to my channel. What's up, guys? How you doing? My name's Kaylee Ann. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, what's good? You already know how I do. It's gonna be like a 2-day video because today I'm going to go get a massage and I'm going to go get my facial. I don't have any makeup on or anything. See my update on the Moonex Cosmetics. Love her products. I'm a fan of the Brighten Mask, the Jada Brighten Mask. Excuse the smoke because it's an incense. I have an incense going. So what I'm going to do today is I'm doing probably like an hour or an hour and a half massage. And I think my facial is like an hour. And then day 2, which is tomorrow, I'm going to get a whole new set. As you can see, my thumb cracked. I had to take it off. Like, I'm going to go get my nails redone, a whole new set. We taking these motherfuckers off with something totally different. And then, of course, I'm keeping it cute with the white toes. Classic white toes. So I just thought that it would be cool to take you guys along with me. My iPad, which I'm filming on right now, is a little too big to be taken to my massage place. So I'm going to probably do some content on my phone. So if it's the quality is different, I apologize in advance. But yeah. Right here. Thank you so much. Alright guys, we are finally here at the place. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Look, I already know what I need. You can set this aside. I ran out.
Absolutely. And we're going to a full spa day today.
Yes.
Hey, your signature is better than a lot of people. You got some long nails.
Lots of practice.
We're all good to go.
What are these?
Oh, we got our new Finish Fairy soaps in. Yeah, we usually have them during the holidays, but we were able to get more of them, and they all smell so amazing. It smells almost like a fruit medley candy.
Is it this one? With the honeycomb on the top?
I believe so.
Here's some of the soaps. I just got this one. Kind of like this one. So many cute soaps. Bath bombs. Got some bath bombs. I don't know if I want to use these yet. I just wanted to show you guys some of their products. Alright, so I'm about to get ready to do my massage, and then I'll be back when it's time for me to do my facial. Okay, I just got done with my massage. You can't even see me, it's kind of dark in here. But, okay, here we go. But yeah, I just got dressed after my massage, and now I think I'm about to... Okay, guys, so I am waiting in the lobby right now. She went to go clean up her room because she just had another client. So I got my facial. As you can see, I'm kind of swollen, but she did a really good job. It's kind of swollen, like the areas that she extracted are kind of swollen, but don't even worry about it because it's my first facial. I made another appointment for 3 weeks out, I think. Probably like the first of the month. I'll be going to my next appointment with her. I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about my experience. I have a membership at the place that I go to for my massages. I never really tried their like facial stuff. So I decided to do a facial. She did a some type of like natural chemical peel. As you can see, she extracted this one really, really good. And I just had to kind of wait for, you know, my face to kind of go down on the swelling. I had a relaxing ass time. I don't know if you guys can see some stuff over here, some stuff over here. My face is like, because literally we just got finished, just got back home. He extracted some stuff and then did an exfoliation. That's when she put a mask on. I also got some goodies while I was there. One thing that I really, really, really swear by and like to use, it is the Truth. I love it to death. It smells like almonds and honey. Natural sugar scrub, right? Really thick. Really, really thick. Smells like heaven. I'm not supposed to put anything else on my face for the next 2 days except for these 3 products right here. So, yeah. Then I got the Hydra Medic face wash. She told me to stop using my other face wash that I usually use. I can use this every day. I also got soap bars that I showed you. This is the one that I decided to go with. It's called Renegade Honey. It smells phenomenal. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I wish that YouTube could let you guys smell. Like, I would have been like, it smells amazing. But yeah, so that concludes day 1. Tomorrow, you guys will be going with me to get my nails and my toes redone. I don't know exactly what I want to get done. I just know that I kind of want some bling. Excuse how I look. I know I look crazy. Like I say in every video, I always look crazy when I'm doing something. But I'm doing something, right? Right.
I forgot to do an intro video today too, but here it is. Go to my nail appointment. Like about to turn on the street right now to be out where we're supposed to be. My face, it's done good after the facial. This is the face after. Walking into Le Salon now.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
just got back home, and this, as you guys can see, I am all done up. This is one full day, 24 hours post my massage, my facial. My face is pretty clear. I still have like some swelling from the extractions that she did. Of course, how my nails turned out, you know, my nails and my toes. I have fun. Of course, I always tell people you should at least, if you're able to, like, take 1 or 2 days out of the month, at the least, to take care of yourself, your skin, your body, make yourself feel good. Like, you know, I'm very big on self-love, self-care, and one of those things that ties into that is literally taking care of yourself, pampering yourself, and doing things that make you feel good. Not just like, you know, going out or smoking or drinking, like actual things that will help, you know, feel good about yourself. Like, it's okay to go get your nails done and your toes done every 2 weeks. It's okay to go and have a fucking spa day if you want to, because you've been stressed and you've been working your ass off. Like, don't ever let nobody make you feel guilty for taking care of yourself and for doing for yourself, because like, who else is gonna do it other than you? How else is anybody else gonna know how to take care of you if you don't even do it, or you don't even know how? Please make sure you guys do for you. Like, pour into yourself. It's good to pour into somebody, but it's not good to not pour into yourself. You really should be able to take care of the things that you need to, and do something for you. You know what I'm saying? Do something that makes you feel good and feel better, because you know what I'm saying? Life ain't always about always working. You know, it's not always about slaving away and grinding. Like, of course, I'm gonna always tell motherfucker, get your money up. But also, I'm gonna tell you, you really should like learn to balance, you know, work and play. I work so much. I overwork. So for me, I don't always do my pamper days how I need to. And honestly, like, I really am about to get back into it as deeply as I used to. Let's say like maybe 3 years ago, every 2 weeks, literally like clockwork, I would go get a massage, my nails done, my hair done. Well, not my hair, my waxed. I would like do everything, the whole 9 in the course of like either 1 or 2 days. And it was literally every 2 weeks. Me getting my hair done, I will alternate that. Because, you know, I don't need to get my hair done every 2 weeks for me personally. But like, yeah, like I had so much more energy and so much stuff that I just felt like flowed to me, because I was taking care of business, but I was also taking care of myself. And that is very important. Take care of yourself. Make sure you're healthy. Make sure you're eating right. Make sure, you know, you're doing everything that is going to help you be a better you for yourself, so that you can go out there and go make that money, baby. Because don't nobody want to make no money mad, tired, and all that all the time. I didn't have to do it before, and you know, you should be able to enjoy the fruits of your fucking labor. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed my Pamper Day video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a man, tell a girl, tell anybody, so we can get this page growing. And thank you for watching. All right, bye.
Niggas gotta move on my release day, Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth.